How to play Repo on Mac. Repo, the co-op horror game by Semi-Work, is not officially supported on Mac. However, Mac users can still play it using severe workarounds. These methods don't require traditional modes, but do involve compatibility tools or cloud and gaming services. Method 1. Boosteroid. First up is Boosteroid, a cloud and gaming service that lets you play Repo directly in your browser. Here is how. 1. Go to boosteroid.com and create an account. Subscribe to the service. Search for Repo and click play. Log into your Steam account when prompted. That's it. You're now playing Repo on your Mac without downloading or installing anything. Method 2. Crossover. Next, we have Crossover. This lets you run Windows games like Repo on your Mac using a compatibility layer. Here's the quick setup. 1. Download a crossover from codeweavers.com. 2. Create a new Windows 10 64-bit bottle. 3. Install Steam inside the bottle. 4. Enable D3D Metal and async in the settings. 5. Open Steam, download Repo and start playing. Works well for Intel and Apple Silicon Macs with the game porting toolkit. Method 4. BlueStacks. Lastly, if you're okay with the mobile version of Repo, you can use BlueStacks, an Android emulator. 1. Download the BlueStacks. 2. Search for Repo or her game in the Play Store. Then, install and play. It's not the same as the PC version, but it's a quick way to enjoy the game on Mac. And that's the full tutorial on how to play Repo on your Mac without any modes. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, comment your favorite method, and subscribe for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.